The task for the subquery is find customers whose payments are greater than the average payment using a subquery. Come on, just think on this. So the task is to find the customers whose payments are greater than the average payments using the subquery. So the hint is, first you need to find out what is the average payment first. So from that, where your customers whose payments are greater than the average payment, you need to find out. Come on, try this. Yeah, so it is simple here. So first let us find out the what is the average amount from the payments table. So to find out that, we are going to use select a function average that will find out the average from the amount column from the payments table. Okay, if I execute this, you will get the average amount. Okay, average amount, but we want all the customers whose payments are greater than the average. So I'm using a subquery here. Select the customer number and the amount and their amount from payments table, where their amount should be greater than the average amount. So for that I'm using a subquery here, where the amount is greater than the average amount. So for this I need to put that all in a bracket. Now let me execute this. So this will give you the average amount, and from there I'm pulling out all the customers whose payment is greater than the average. You can see this. Yeah, so these are all the persons, or you can call customer numbers, whose payments or amounts are greater than the average.